This world. Then. Same breakfast for today. Our breakfast every morning here in Jindo. It's okay. It's good. 잘 먹겠습니다.
마치 chopstick mo yung jam. Just trying the strawberry jam.
This is our dinner for today.
Hindi ko ni Kara.
Dinner mix. My dinner mix. Team Nara. So I'm going to try vending machine in I wanna buy this coffee. Okay? Ay, hindi. Paano ba?
Let's be.
Let's be. Marami pa akong Korean coins.
Oh, big one. Wow, pengi.
I have my 500 one.
Okay.
Then,
This is Obekon.
patayaw.
Hala, yung 501 ko.
Oh. Hala, ayaw.
I think it's 고장 났어.
I think wala na.
Ay.
Okay, I got one.
Sayang, nagpanik ka sa video.
Nagwanik ako ng slide.
Ano yung nabili mo? Let's be.
Let's
Ibig
be.
sabihin pala nito not available. Oo.
Ito lang yung available.
And meron ding pantry. Anong meron here? Ano yan, Ate Janine?
This is a jujube.
What's this? May pre chilsung cider.
I'll be the one this. Excuse me guys. Magbablock lang ako.
chilsung cider. 그리고 ano to? Caramel? Toffee.
Super
Caramel. May maxine din.
Citron.
So, magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial how to do the honey citron tea.
You just scoop.
Scoop?
Just once. Actually, nauna to dapat before the hot water, but this is just adding more to suit your taste. I recommend.
Ano bang halo niyan? Ano bang halo ng honey citron? Maliban sa honey.
Honey and citron 10. 10 honey and citron. Magulat ka kapag may grapes dyan.
The next day.
Coffee time while having a good view here in Jindo.
Ba't ganyan mukha-mukha?
I don't know how.
Nagnore bang? Come drink with us. Do you drink mekju? Do you know how to speak Korean? But do you drink beer?
Later.
So pretty.
In, sushi, three, big circle, relax your upper body.
We just finished our yoga class. Now it's practice time again. Looks so energetic. Yes, anong ginagawa? Wow, we got a gift from our teacher.
고무줄.
고무줄.
고무 meaning is the lover.
감사합니다, 선생님. Everyone's getting ready. Here's our very, very pretty 선생님. 너무 예뻐요. Wow, can you see that? Jeju Island from here. 나이스. 연습 부르기 친구. 너무 예뻐. 예쁘네.
The next day.
여기 딱 포인트를 약간 요렇게 그러니까 머리를 움직이는 게 아니야. 턱을 둘, 셋, 여기야. 이걸 이렇게 머리를 움직이려고 그러면 다 쉐이킹 돼요. They can do also movement is the same. but 우리는 어떻게 할 줄 알아요. 조금 우리 캐치했잖아. 그러니까 while take class more focus emotion 하세요. 선생님을 더 봐. 선생님을 많이 봐. What's the recital? 너무 잘해서.
Maybe we need more yoga classes.
리스를 해야 돼. But with the breathe. 이거 펀치, 서먼 펀치인데 리스를 이렇게 하면서 해야지. 서먼 그냥 틀리잖아. You know what's different?
Later.
잘했어.
Fun time. Sing my life with this word. Feeling me so.
Ang the mood when going to eat.
We happy because going to dinner.
Singing my life with this word.
Wait lang. Bagalan yung lakad.
Softly. With this song, telling my whole life. With this word.
Later.
Our training for today just finished.
Ako nga, ganun hintay lang ako ng ganun. Tapos yung bababa na lang.
자, 이거 다 릴렉스 하고.
Hindi ko talaga nakaya pag ganun na lang ako.
Bye, teacher.